I'm on vacation. Kinda. Followed by a wolf.
Go say my name, cause it don't feel the same when you're not around. The feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down. Now that I know I can figure this out. And little towns gonna take off, lost and found, that's what we are. City lights and plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. And we don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind. Cause I don't wanna keep on waiting till out of patience fading. I'm recreating all the memories with you. You can say I'm crazy, maybe, but it's on the daily. You take me to the stars and spacey. The world comes back around. And little towns gonna take off, lost and found, that's what we are. City lights and plastic cars, tiny people, giant stars. And we don't care about what we find, we just need each other's time. Young and reckless by design, I find my peace of mind. I don't know what to say, waiting till our patience fading. I'll feel this way, all the memories with you. I don't know what to say.
Good morning. I'm gonna sit on the steps because that's the only way I'm not in direct sunshine. It is like 8:30 and I'm on vacation. Kinda. So my parents are not here, but this is my parents' garden house. A lake is nearby, which is nice. And I came here yesterday for Mother's Day. It was super nice because my grandparents were there and they're fully vaccinated. And I had my first vaccination, so that's all my parents did, so it's great. Yeah, I had a really nice time, and then I decided beforehand that I would stay for 1 week. So I'm gonna be here for 1 week, but my parents won't be. They have work. And I'm here alone, but my partner's gonna join me at the weekend. He has a lot to do. And I actually also have some stuff to do because today I have an online course and on Wednesday I have another one. I feel like a student again. So I have 2.5 hours today and then 2.5 hours on Wednesday, but again, no one's gonna be here. I'm responsible for the garden. I'm gonna like water the plants and take care of everything, and I sleep not in a tent this time. Usually I sleep in a tent, but my parents preferred if I sleep in the house if no one's here. Because no one's here. I can see proper houses like right next to us where families live full time, but in this little area here I'm the only person. It's a bit strange, I must say, to be so alone in an area. But it was really nice. And yeah, today I'm gonna do this course, drink my coffee, and I think I'm either gonna go on a walk or on a bike ride. I don't know yet. I'm not gonna go swimming because it was only hot yesterday and it's gonna be hot today. It's gonna be okay tomorrow. And then all the other days before were cold, so the water's gonna be cold. But I have plenty of other things to do, and now I'm gonna get ready for my online class. I think I'm gonna do it inside because I haven't taken my allergy pills yet. Yeah, I'm quite excited. A whole week. Gonna do lots of reading. I watched some TV yesterday. I have an audiobook for walks. I've already been on 2 walks yesterday evening. That's what my week is gonna be like. Walks and reading and drinking lots of coffee. So get ready, because I am. Let's go to class. So this is my little setup here. It's gonna be right here, like this. I'm guessing I'm gonna do the same on Wednesday. But yeah, gotta sit here. So I'm done with my class for the day and I'm gonna go exploring now. I have stayed here quite a few times, but never on my own and never where I didn't have to work or something. So I actually have just a whole day off and tomorrow as well. And the neighbors are really loud. They're just talking across their property lines like much better. Quiet, silence, bird sounds. Yeah, so it's the first time I actually had time to explore the area and I've never done that. So I found like a little hiking trail that I think I'm gonna go on and discover my neighborhood for the next few days. I'm pretty excited. I have an audiobook on. I think you saw it. It's The Unhoneymooners. So it's very, you know, tropical paradise. Takes place in Maui. I mean, I'm not a Maui, but it's very warm for the first time in a long time. Done it. I think I'm gonna go to the water now. Show you the water because it's really just a minute away. And then go on my trail. Pretty excited, to be honest. I know I said it a few times, but it's warm. I'm on vacation. My course is over. Yes. Ta-da! You see? It's right here by the house. We don't have a direct dock or anything, but it's literally just down this little path. Again, I'm not going to swim. This property is really cool. It's like a big rowing club. And I see a cat in the distance. Yes. Let's try and see if we can get to the cat. Oh, the cat ran from me. Bummer. Look at this beautiful tree. Beautiful. Look at this. Very confused by the sign that says tank storage. Tanks? So I made it to this village and I haven't met a single person. I know it's a work day, but I haven't even seen someone walk their dog. It's the forest here, houses here, and I think I'm walking towards a church before I head to the national park I want to go to today. Yeah, no people. This looks like my dream house. It's in the woods, blends in, beautiful. I love how all these little villages have a history lesson in the town square. Look, even like a school picture. So cute! Little store. Found the church. More learning. Look at that. Wow. Hi there. I found a path through the woods, and I just remembered that like 2 weeks ago I saw a video of a woman being followed by a wolf in Brandenburg. I saw over the news. That's where I am right now. In daylight. It was daylight, it wasn't dusk or anything. And a wolf was hit by a car 5 minutes away from my parents' house. A wolf. Here. So I'm quite in favor of wolves returning to this area. They kill a lot of cattle and sheep. I think they haven't really attacked humans yet, but they're quite close to humans, which is not my favorite. Don't need to be near wolves, it's fine. Yeah. Again, I'm in Germany, not much here in these woods that could hurt me. Thinking about moving to Canada and how everything could hurt me or kill me there. Mountain lions, bears, wolves, everything. So, very grateful of how it is here. Yeah. Not many people. A biker came by me. There's some train tracks, but no train. We'll see. So far, no wolves, no people. Probably better. Oh, guess we're going right into the woods now. This reminds me of my undergrad study days. To elaborate, I studied geology for my undergrad, and that meant quite a lot of field trips where we had to find rock formations, work in forests like this, dig down to the roots to see if there are like rocks underneath, for mapping. Memories. But usually I wasn't alone. Oh, tractor! Yeah. So yeah, this is one of many times I've been in the forest like that, but usually not alone. But there were like at least one field trip per semester, I would say, and I always enjoyed them very much. I mean, look at these trees, so many of them. So I was often, well, when I did mapping, let's come over here. When I did mapping, we did it in small groups for like 2 weeks in an area like this in Bavaria. And we were in like 4 people groups, but sometimes we would split up and it would be just 2 of us in an area. No phone signal, nothing. And I was quite nervous about wildlife, like wild boars. One time a deer almost ran us down. We were just walking like this and one came jumping out of like the undergrowth. That was quite shocking, surprising. And yeah, we were most scared of boars because wild boars are scary, especially if they have little babies. They'll chase you up a tree. I don't think it's season for that yet, but That's just something that's always on my mind. Boars. My grandpa told me a horror story when he was younger of being chased up on a tree. Yeah, when he was a child in the woods, and the boar would not leave him alone. Poor little baby grandpa had to stay up there until nightfall in the woods alone on this tree because the boar would not leave, and he was terrified. This cannot happen to me because I'm wearing a dress. I'm not climbing any trees, so fingers crossed. I officially made it back home. I walked over 12 kilometers and now I'm gonna chill on the swing and read. Oh, so excited for that. Hey, it's some time later. I had a nap, I read my book, and now I'm gonna go to the store to get some more food. I have a lot for today, so I don't technically need anything, but I think it'll be nice. And my parents will come by on Thursday and I want to get them some ice cream, so I'm gonna buy that now. And it gives me a reason to go outside again, to be honest, because the weather is amazing and I know it won't stay like that. So yeah, well rested, more or less. Let's go outside again. Go. It got dark really quick. I'm going to bed now. I'm still watching my Resident Evil game playthrough. Tomorrow I'm gonna take my bike and, if the weather's good, bicycle around. I hope I can sleep in a bit more than I did today. Really tired. I had to take an aspirin as well. I think I was in the sun too long. It was like 30 degrees and I was hiking for 15 kilometers. It turns out 15, that's insane. But yeah, this is my bed again for the night. It's my laptop. And to think tomorrow it's mostly gonna be the same, just relaxing, but I'm gonna go and hope to see a castle close by with my bike. So good night, thanks for joining me as always. I had a great time and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.